Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how I've been using Evernote. You'll see here that I've got the Notebooks tab highlighted, and I've created a total of 4 notebooks, 2 of which are for my current course offerings, and 2 that are a little bit more for fun to organize some information for our upcoming spring break trip. You'll see these numbers here at the end of each notebook name indicate how many notes are in each of the folders. Here to the left of the screen you'll see the tags. These are the tags that I've created and that are included in each one of the notes. And if we take a look here in the EDCI 560 notebook, you will see some of the notes that I've created. The one here gives a screenshot from our syllabus to show the 3 programs that we could use for this submission. And I put a little stamp here to indicate that I chose Evernote. You'll also see I created a copyright information note from our week 1 folder. I've created links to the different websites where free content can be found, as well as a link to the video. If we go to the Disney World folder, I created a note with the dining reservations. I annotated the screenshots that I got from the web clipper with drawing attention to the confirmation number, as well as using some highlights there in the note itself. If we go to the spring break folder, you can see I created a checkbox list of things I need to pack for the car, and I can check those off as I get them. And finally, if we go to the EDCI 590 folder, you can see that I've created some notes to track the badge submissions in Passport. So that's just a little bit about how I've been using Evernote.